What is one of your favorite tools with AI capabilities, and what value do you get from it? My answer was actually going to be Notion because of its AI features, but also because of its plugins. So you can have all of your data connected to one place with a Wikipedia of how to use Notion in the first place, subpages, SLAs, SOP, everything is all in one place. And you can use Claude amongst other tools to chat with it. So it's essentially like you're chatting with the brain of your company. I love it.
Yeah, I'm a huge Notion fan as well, and I really like the new AI features. One thing that I think that it can do really well, which is pretty cool, is generate synthetic data. So you can tell it like make me a bunch of synthetic clients to then, fill out this thing and then analyze the data, which is, I think, a cool use case.
And just this idea that you can have everything in one place, like you don't have to have 15 to 20 tools in your tech stack, right? Like it's actually not productive to have all these tools. So to have one place where they all come together and it's like one central North Star of truth that your documentation and processes are somewhere, that's literally what you need for automation. Like you can't automate anything if you don't have the process in writing and a visual for how that's being done manually.
Yeah, I wish they would add, honestly, maybe this is a big jump, but some kind of chat feature. Because for me, Slack and Notion is where I manage my team. And I would love it if that could be just one tool instead of two tools to have to pay for and deal with.
Agreed. All right, Notion, if you're going to listen to this, this is our wish list.